Cooking the rice by electric rice cooker. Pour 2 cups of raw jasmine rice into the inner pot. Rinse it once or twice. And then add about 1½ cups of drink water. Now for my little pro tip, fluffing the rice. About 10 minutes before the rice cooker finish, open the lid and use the rice paddle to fluff the rice from the bottom up. This helps to ensure every grain is soft, fluffy, and doesn't clump together. It's a great little trick if you want to give it a try. I guarantee it will make your meal taste even better.